Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Shafira from Nanjay. In this video I will show you how to make carbonara noodles. The ingredients we need are enough butter, 1 clove of garlic, 1 peck of bunchabe, ultra milk, 1 small pack of cheese, 2 packs of noodle soup. First we heat the water. Then enter the noodles and wait until the noodles are a bit cooked. Don't forget to turn off the stove. Grate cheese, chop the garlic. Enter the butter into the hot pan. Wait until it melts. Then add the garlic pieces. Cook over low heat. After the garlic smells good, turn off the stove. Enter half a glass of ultra milk and add the noodle seasoning. Stir until evenly distributed. Turn the stove back on. Add 1 pack of bunchabe. Add more pepper if desired. And add another teaspoon of seasoning salt. Enter the grated cheese and add the noodles. Stir again until the seasoning is even. Add eggs if you want. Stir again. Turn off the stove when the marinade has thickened. Finally, enter the rest of the noodle seasoning. Carbonara noodles are ready to eat.